Sawyer Products SP129 Squeeze Water Filtration System is a portable water filtration solution that provides impressive performance in a compact package. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing, I can confidently say that this water filtration system stands out from its competitors. One of the key features that sets the Sawyer SP129 apart is its portability. With dimensions of 4L into 2.5W into 7.5H and weighing only 3.2 ounces, this system is lightweight and easy to carry, making it an ideal companion for outdoor activities such as camping, hiking, or backpacking. The portable design allows you to have clean drinking water wherever you go, ensuring your hydration needs are met. The Sawyer SP129 Squeeze Water Filtration System utilizes a unique squeeze filtering mechanism to purify water. This efficient filtration system removes harmful bacteria, protozoa, cysts, and other contaminants down to 0.1 microns, providing you with clean and safe drinking water.